Stay tuned to the broadcasting stations in your local area. This is the latest disclosure, the report from National Civil Defense Headquarters in Washington. The persons who have recently died have been returning to life and committing acts of murder. Included in the unburied dead are coming back to life and seeking human victims.
Teach them you to stand! Their need will conquer yours! They'll make you wish for death! The land must be destroyed! Running high, blacksmiths in their blood! Take their heads in mercy! Take their heads to live! Where the hell did they all come from? Don't fuck around with questions when your ass is on the line! Quick! Quiet, find a safe place to hide! Or fucking blow their heads off with any gun to find!
When this emergency first began, radio and television was advising people to stay inside. Civil defense machinery has been organized to provide rescue stations with food, shelter, medical treatment, and protection by armed National Guardsmen.
Too evil to be named! Empty shells of rage! Reason won't help you! Survivors must adapt! Running high, blacksmiths in their blood! Take their heads in mercy! Oh, and the lane! Hinder survival! We must leave them behind! Only the smartest and strongest may survive!
At this hour, they report the level of serious radiation in Kryza. As long as this situation remains, that dead bodies will continue to be transformed into the flesh-eating ghouls.
Slow them down! They can't be scared away! Humanity is gone! Their fate is worse than death! Running high! Take their heads in mercy! Take their heads to live! Blacksmiths in their blood!
All persons bodies are first disposed of by cremation. All law enforcement agencies and the military have been organized to search out and destroy the marauding ghouls. Survival Command Center at the Pentagon has disclosed that a ghoul can be killed by a shot in the head or a heavy blow to the skull.
Where the hell did they all come from? Don't fuck around! Your ass is on the line! Quick! Quiet! Place to hide! Or fucking blow their heads off with any gun to find!
Are they slow moving?
Yeah, they're dead. They're all messed up.
Would I stand a chance with them?
Well, there's no problem. If you had a gun, shoot them in the head. That's a sure way to kill them. If you don't, get yourself a club or a torch. Beat them or burn them. They go up pretty easy.
Their need will conquer yours! Too evil to be named!
Camera
Empty shells of rage!
And you kill the ghoul.
Running high! Survivors must adapt! Pain will slow them down! The brain must be destroyed!
Thank you very much, Chief McClellan. This is Bill Cardill, WIC, TV11 News.
Official spokesman declined to speculate just how long it may take to kill off all the flesh eaters.